Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. So I did manage to carefully push, without too much force, put the Emerson soundbox onto the tone arm of my Victrola to get it to stay on there just as good as I can. Now, I am not expecting a whole lot out of this. Please bear in mind this is just an experiment. I wanted to try something different. And I kind of got this idea from one of my subscribers, Mr. RG Stuff, and yeah, this might be interesting. Now I can't guarantee the sound quality on this because again, this is an Emerson soundbox. I don't know if it's ever been tested, so for me and for all of you, this is a first test with this particular soundbox, and let's just see what happens. Oh, and incidentally, the recording is Dance of the Demon, and this is performed by the Victor Arden and Phil Oman duet for pianos, I should say. So let's see what we have with this. Okay, well, surprisingly, that did work. I was not expecting anything sound-wise to come out of this particular soundbox. Again, like I said, it's not physically designed for the Victrola. It's actually designed for an Emerson phonograph. However, like I said, sometimes you just gotta try something that's you're not sure if it's going to work or not. Okay, well, if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking this video and also please consider subscribing to my channel. I really would appreciate it. So I will see you all in another video. Thank you.